Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Eat Good Food. In today's video, we are going to make these amazing, delicious and healthy yogurt bars. Let's get started. Take 400 grams of yogurt, then add half a tablespoon of vanilla essence, 3 spoons of honey or add more if you like. Now fold them together nicely. Now take a tray with foil. Spread the yogurt evenly. Now add whatever fruits you have. I am adding strawberries and blueberries all over. Now freeze it for 5 hours. And that's it. Yogurt bars are ready. Cut them into pieces and eat them right away. Yum! You can also put them in a container and save it to munch later. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next week.